Vicarious is an adjective that describes experiencing something indirectly, through the actions, feelings, or experiences of another person. Origins: the word originates from the Latin vicarious, meaning substitute, or acting in place of another. It entered English in the 17th century, retaining its sense of living or acting through someone else. Explanation and usage: vicarious is often used to describe the emotional or sensory experience of imagining oneself in someone else's situation. It applies to situations where people derive satisfaction or understanding without being directly involved. Example sentences: she felt a vicarious thrill watching her favorite athlete win the championship. Parents often live vicariously through their children's accomplishments. Reading novels allows readers to gain vicarious insights into different worlds and lives. Use and cultural significance: the term is widely used to describe empathetic connections, particularly in entertainment, storytelling, and relationships. It highlights the human ability to imagine and share in the joys or struggles of others without direct participation. Synonyms: empathic, feeling or experiencing emotions on behalf of another. Secondhand, indirectly experienced, imaginary, existing in the mind as a substitute for real experience. Antonyms: direct, involving first-hand experience, personal, pertaining to one's own actions or feelings. Immediate, without mediation or substitution. Science's key takeaway: vicarious describes the indirect enjoyment or experience of another's life, actions, or emotions. It underscores the human capacity for empathy and imagination, enabling shared experiences without direct involvement.